The incredible complexity financial institutions must navigate is where reputations are built and destroyed. With 25 years of deep domain expertise in building, maintaining, and extending financial technology solutions for global and regional banking and insurance leaders, no one understands this complexity better than Polaris Financial Technology. The single most powerful competitive differentiator for financial institutions is design, which will have a powerful impact on the challenging CIO agenda. Chairman and CEO Arun Jain is passionate about design and how it will unlock value in business, technology, and operations.
In today's financial technology world, the CEO has to face with three challenges. The challenge number one, how to keep the priorities between run the bank and change the bank, and how you juggle the budget between the two of them. Challenge two, how do you create efficiencies between business, technologies, and operations. Challenge number three, how do you rationalize the budgets applications which contribute significant amount of budgets in run the bank, and how do you fuel the innovation engine. Now, to bring all those three challenges of CIO on the table, we felt design thinking is the only way when they can be on the same board. It's easier said than done that design thinking can create value, but actually it requires design frameworks, it requires right kind of a design mind, and it requires a design space where the mind becomes active for looking at the new way of thinking. And that's why we created this facility called 8012, the Design Center, for creating a game changer in the CIO world.
At the world's only financial technology design center, financial institutions can now experience the power of collaborative design for serious business outcomes. 8012 FT Design Center is a revolutionary collaborative workspace spread over 6 distinct zones. The Pi space initiates a dialogue on why design matters and reflects on design patterns in business, technology, and operations. The Co-Paris labs attack the 7 dimensions of complexity across customer experience, operations efficiency, performance, analytics, risk management, integration, and security.
The business of tomorrow is going to run an experience, as experience is the key driver for adoption within the bank as well as by its customers. We believe that holistic experience is the outcome of weaving and orchestrating customer experience, operations, performance, analytics, risk, integration, and security, acronymed as Co-Paris Index. Financial institutions can leverage the deep and focused research in each of the 7 dimensions to design applications that deliver high operational productivity and business outcomes.
The FT design space draws together business design, technology design, and operations design in close physical proximity. This unique approach helps visualize the 3 imperatives in a single integrated view. White spaces are immediately apparent. Dots are connected. Exploring pain points, probing interdependencies, and integrating roles, processes, data, and customers all vividly come alive in this design space.
My team and I work in the exciting and intriguing world of global transaction banking. Our products and solutions are designed for accelerating leadership journeys of transaction banks. Over the past year, we completed 6 large GTB transformations. As you can very well imagine, such transformations are infested with deep-rooted complexities of multiple products, regions, businesses, and technologies. If you were to ask me one area where we created a major impact, I would choose our design workshops. When design teams from the customer organization and Polaris engage in intense workshops, we find we are able to connect the dots between business, technology, and operations resulting in complete alignment across the teams in visualizing the end-to-end solution. This has resulted in two key benefits for our customers: going live ahead of schedule and a dramatic reduction in change requests, which plague all transformation projects.
At Omega, all limiting beliefs are challenged. Guided high-performance workouts for homogeneous and cross-functional business unit teams address constraints and architect solutions. The Solution Design Zone is an advanced collaborative design facility.
We have just completed the first few design workshops at 8012, our unique design center. Diverse teams from the financial institutions as well as Polaris have engaged in design workshops here and have been able to connect the dots on their strategic agenda, be it rationalization or acceleration or transformation. The ambience and the facilities at the design center are such that it really opens up the group thinking towards exploring possibilities. The teams were able to straddle big picture thinking as well as deep dive thinking comfortably. As a CIO of a global bank pointed out, every single thing at 8012 has been thoughtfully designed to enable collaboration and co-creation.
The 8012 FT Design Center is focused on a sustainable tomorrow. At ZF, powered by green energy, future possibilities are debated. At D1 and D2, financial institutions book facilities for custom-built applications design and enhanced training. The world's only financial technology design center encourages financial institutions to take design seriously. Arun Jain believes design will drive FT transformation. To benefit from design work sessions, he insists on participation by carefully selected teams from enterprises seeking serious business outcomes. Bookings at the 8012 FT Design Center should be made well in advance to avoid disappointment.
Over the last 2 decades, as I built this institution to focus on banking and financial technology transformation, a part of me has always been pitting wits with architects, subject matter experts, analysts and engineers in designing and delivering world-class solutions to take leadership. I'm sure many of you share the same passion. Come, let's build the transformational agenda for next generation banking at 8012.